So listen, it is 2023 and it is time to stop messing around and get your life together.
So now that I have your attention, in this video we'll be going through how to make $10,000 monthly in 2023, according to Iman Ghadzi. We'll see if it's actually possible to achieve this.
And that's why in this video, I'm gonna run through the 7 best ways to make $10,000 a month in 2023. Now you need to understand that picking the wrong model will absolutely obliterate your chances of any success.
He's right about this. You can work very hard and still not achieve anything. You need to have a proper strategy.
First way that I'm gonna suggest, which is dropshipping.
Here we go again with dropshipping. It's very commonly used with these YouTubers, but let's hear him out.
Now historically, I have never been a fan of dropshipping over the years.
This is because there are a lot of saturated markets and it's not as easy as the influencers make it look.
Now the beauty is in 2023, you can use free traffic sources like TikTok, Reels, even YouTube Shorts.
The best thing about these is that the services are all free, so you don't have to spend money on it upfront.
And you can use these in order to validate your product. When it comes to dropshipping, the most important thing is product selection, finding the right product but in the right timing.
So apart from finding a great product, you will also need to get the timing correctly. You need to be able to see what's trending, like when we had the fidget spinners craze.
Because listen, in the same way, I think it was 2014 or 2015, fidget spinners were the craze.
I didn't know that he was going to mention them, I swear.
I remember all of my friends, they all rocked up to school, they all had fidget spinners. So if you found that product back then, well then you'd be doing pretty well. Whereas these days, that's just no longer a winning product.
That's why it's important to keep up with the trends, because otherwise no one will buy from you.
So it is totally okay to constantly be chopping, changing, finding new winning products, just as long as you are not pouring money down the drain with ads, which is why in 2023, I would recommend it as a viable business model.
Basically, he's saying that you can still make it in 2023 just as long as you don't spend and waste a lot of money on it.
Now, the next way to make $10,000 a month in 2023 is not for everyone. Not everyone is born a natural salesperson. So making it your full-time career and basically what you base your income off of isn't the wisest move.
For the second tip, he mentioned sales. He said it's not for everyone, and he's right. Most of the sales jobs there is only offer wages based on commissions. So if you don't make any sales, you won't get any money.
You don't need to make a career out of it, like I'm suggesting here, becoming a closer. But even if you get a rudimentary understanding of sales, it is something that will feed you for the rest of your life.
You don't need some high-paying commission rates to start. Of course it helps, but you can still make money with lower commission rates if you sell in volumes to shops or else companies. You can even get started on Facebook Marketplace, like I did, selling on eBay.
The next way to make $10,000 a month is by creating a YouTube channel.
Whoa, don't click off just yet. He's right about this as well. YouTube is still very profitable and still very possible to get into.
Now, YouTube is not for everyone, but if you do it right, you can make a good living from AdSense. But the main thing here is strategy.
Again, it's not as simple as just making a YouTube channel. You will need to think about which content you're going to post and if there is actually any interest from the public on it.
Just understand that these days vlog channels don't really work. And you need to understand the CPM, which is basically how much you're getting paid for 1,000 views, is very, very low in some industries and a lot higher in other industries.
YouTube will pay you according to your niche. So if you have a gaming channel, you will get lower rates than if you own a lifestyle channel. That's why you will need to strategize and check if the niche you're going for actually pays out. Otherwise, it will all be a waste of time and energy from your end.
We all have our unique skill set, and this is where online coaching becomes a very clear avenue to make $10,000 a month online.
Now with this one, I don't agree completely. It's true that you can make that type of money with online coaching, but it's very hard to do so, especially if you're starting out. When you're starting out, nobody knows about you yet, so this method will need some time before you actually see any cash.
Now the next method I want to talk about is affiliate marketing.
To explain this in short, affiliate marketing is when you promote a brand's product, and when you generate a sale, you will get a commission. You can do this from a website, YouTube channel, Facebook page, and many more. What do you think about Iman's strategies to making money in 2023? Leave a comment down below. Also, like the video and subscribe to help out the channel. See you on the next one, guys.